Hi folks, welcome to a brand new cruise channel, Time to Cruise. My name is Bud and I'm here to take you on a journey through the world of cruising. If you're new to cruising or you're a cruise veteran, if you're curious about ships and how things work, if you'd like to know what's the best way to check in, I have been sailing for over 30 years taking cruise vacations. I have sailed to over 15 different countries. I've been on half a dozen different cruise lines. I've seen incredible sites such as the Mayan ruins in Tulum. I've been to the Acropolis in Athens and been to the Great Pyramids in Egypt, all from a cruise ship. So please join me on this journey as I try to build not just a YouTube channel, but a whole Time to Cruise community. If you're on Facebook, look up the Time to Cruise Facebook group. It's a brand new group I just created, and hopefully there we can interact and maybe even see each other on a cruise ship together. For this video, please, if you could, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. There's a lot more content coming your way, and I hope to see you out on the high seas. Thanks.